There they go in the new walker.
A wonderfully clean apartment. Hey, wait, you live in a house.
Look, her feet don't touch. Faster, faster.
Faster?
Come back. Faster. Woo! Hi, Ari. Where'd you go? Come back.
Stuck. Bigger house.
Here they come. Yay! Walker! 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 Yeah! Oh, there you go. Come back! Faster! Yay! Walker's trying to eat me. Oh, they're going back. Oh, there's Daddy's butt. Oh, they're going in a circle. Oh, circle, 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 circle. Hi. Hi. Are you in a walker? And that's all the fun. Oh, but look. Supposedly, it also makes Cookie Monster noises, but I haven't figured that out yet. That's Ari's new walker. Look. Maybe in a couple weeks she'll be able to really use it, but for now, her feet don't touch. The end. Say goodbye. Say bye, Ari. Say goodbye. Bye-bye. Watch as Ari's toes slowly push her backwards. This will require me making silly noises. A goo 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 goo. A goo 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 goo. A goo 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 goo. Ari. Ari. Kiki 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 kiki